Hi friends, I am Sanjay. I hope all of you are good. This is my first YouTube video and I am trying my best to share my experiences with you. So friends, my first video will be based on building information modeling and introduction. So without wasting any time, let's go. BIM, Building Information Modeling. So definition, BIM is known as information modeling used for building construction and design. BIM shows us a modern way to organize and share information to develop a work or project in a efficient and easy way. So we know BIM is basically used for building construction. Why we use BIM? For design, construction and management. For design, we have design concept, design detail, coordination, analysis and quantity. For construction, we have documentation, 4D and 5D construction, fabrication and estimation. And for management, we have renovation, logistics and operation and maintenance. BIM execution plan. So we know that BIM is a facility which is providing us a physical and characteristic data. Physical means construction and characteristic means designing. But for this we need an execution plan which is known as BIM execution plan. For a successful BIM project we need a good team and comprehensive planning. There are many significant roles in a BIM project like general manager who lead the project and who is the main person. Under the general manager we have design project manager who is handling the designing and site project manager who is controlling the construction team. Under the design project manager we have BIM manager, procurement manager and quantity survey manager. And under the BIM manager we have HVAC, modular, plumbing and firefighting, modular, electrical modular and for coordination, coordinator who coordinate all the MEP services. For site project manager, under the site project manager we have electrical engineer and mechanical engineer. And electrical engineer who is handling the all electrical services in site and mechanical engineer who is controlling the all the mechanical services in the site. Under the mechanical engineer we have technician, supervisor and labor, and it is typical for all. For your information, under the BIM manager all the modelers work, how they works in a project. I will teach you step by step in my upcoming videos. Level of detail. What it means? It means all elements should be drawn to the actual size to facilitate their correct position. So there are many levels of LOD in BIM system like LOD 100. LOD 100 have concept design. LOD 200 have schematic design. LOD 300 have detail design. LOD 350 have construction document. LOD 400 have fabrication and assembly, and LOD 500 has as-built. For your information, LOD 400 and LOD 500 are same. Only different is LOD 400 model and drawing is not as per site condition. In the site maybe there are some modification during the installation process which need to update in the LOD 400 drawing. So after modification on LOD 400 drawing we will have LOD 500 drawing which is as per site, or this model is known as built model or drawing. Type of dimension in BIM. There are many dimensions categorized in BIM like 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D and this is up to 7D. For 2D, geometry have only X and Y dimension. We can say plan view. For 3D, geometry have 3 dimensions X, Y and Z. We can say isometric view. For 4D, this is 3D multiplied by time. So from 4D, we can achieve total duration of work of a building. For 5D, this is 4D multiplied by cost. So from 5D, we can achieve total costing of a building. For 6D, this is sustainable and energy efficiency, and for 7D, this is facility management information. Services in BIM. There are many services in BIM like architecture, structure, mechanical, plumbing, fire protection and electrical. Under the architecture we have elements like wall, door, windows, floor, ceiling, furniture, curtain walls, stair, ramps and etc. Under the structure we have elements like columns, slab, beam, framing etc. Under the mechanical we have elements like air terminal, HVAC ducts, duct accessories, mechanical pipes, pipe accessories, duct and pipe fittings and mechanical equipments like HU, FCU, generator, VAV etc. Under the plumbing services, we have three services like drainage, water supply and LPG gas line. And under drainage, water supply and LPG gas line, pipe fitting, pipe accessories and mechanical equipments are there. Under fire protection, we have elements like pipe fitting, pipe accessories, sprinklers and mechanical equipments, etc. And under electrical, we have elements like lighting, power, data, cable tray, trunking, bus bar system, electrical fixture, fire alarm, earthing, electrical panels, CCTV, public address and others. BIM related software. For implementing BIM, we have many software like AutoCAD, which is for drawing preparation. Next, AutoCAD fabrication, AutoCAD piping, SketchUp. These are used for 3D CAD model and drawing preparation. Next, Revit. This is used for 3D model and drawing preparation with coordination. Next, Civil 3D. This is used for road design and building external design purpose. And other so many software like 3D Max, Maya, Lumion, etc. These are basically used for rendering and presentation purpose. BIM related software applications. In this chapter, we will only discuss about AutoCAD, Revit and Navis type of files, how to save files and what purpose we need this application. Files of type in AutoCAD are DST, DWF, DWG, DWS, DWT, DXB and DXF. AutoCAD is a very popular software, as in this application we can create a drawing or a detail in a very appropriate way or easy way. But for 3D and section working, this is not enough good as Revit. I hope you already installed AutoCAD in your PC. In my PC, AutoCAD 2017 is available, so I am double clicking this shortcut. If you want to open a new file, just click here or type Ctrl+N, then click new. There are so many templates inside the folder. ACAD ISO is auto selected from AutoCAD, so I am not going to change this. If you want to change any of them, you can do it. So after the selection of template, click open. There are three options: open with no template, imperial. You know imperial means it have units like inch, feet. Open with no template, metric. You know this template have unit like meter, millimeter. This metric and imperial unit selection up to your project standard. I am going to select metric. Here you can update your drawing. For example, I am drawing a rectangle. I am typing here REC. This is for example. Then before more updation, you should save the file to your computer. For saving the file, click here save as and then drawing. I am going to save the file in my desktop sample, keeping the same name, then save. Next, Revit. In Revit, we have four kinds of file. First, RVT, Revit project file, where we update our all services, drawing and model. Second, RFA, Revit family file, where we create Revit family model. RTE, Revit project template, where we make a standard Revit template first and then apply to the project file. RFT, Revit family template. Before making any Revit family, we have to select a family template file for a particular element, like we need to make a mechanical equipment. Then we have to select a Revit template first, then update on the Revit family. Revit is good for 3D and section working, but in terms of precision, AutoCAD is good, but for coordination, Revit is excellent. I hope you already installed Revit in your PC. In my PC, there are Revit 2019 and Revit 2020. For your information, in AutoCAD, you can convert any upper version file to a lower version file and vice versa, lower to upper. But in Revit, it is not possible to convert a upper version file to a lower version file, and it is possible to convert any lower version file to upper version file, but it is time-taking process. For example, if you are working on Revit 2020, then it is not possible to convert this Revit model to Revit 2019. If in case file conversion needed, now I am opening Revit 2019. This area is for opening projects and project templates, and this area is for opening families and family templates. For opening a working file, click open. Then select your working file. I already have a working file in my computer. Let me open this file. I am preparing this model for YouTube tutorial only. Here I shall show you how to make model coordination and subdrawing for MEP architectural and structure step by step in my upcoming video. For creating new project or project template, select new. Then select any of these templates. If you want to create a mechanical file, then select mechanical template. Or if you need more template, then go to the browser. Here you can select any of them. So after the selection, you will have two options, project or project template. Now I am going to create project file. Then I will select OK. Here you can update your model or drawing. Before updating the drawing, please save the file to your PC. For saving the file, click here, then click save. So in the same way, you can create or open any family in Revit. Next, Navis. There are three kind of files. First is NWC. This is auto-generated Navis file from CAD or Revit. When we append a CAD or Revit model to Navis, then automatically NWC file will generate. Second, NWF. This is working file which can be edited during working time. Means in this file we can delete or change any link file. Third, NWD. This is merge Navis model which cannot be edited for any changes. When we need to submit any Navis file to client, then always prefer to send NWD file, as this file is not editable and this file only for review and markup. Note: Navis is good for class checking process, as in Navis we can make render view, animation, 4D, 5D and quantity takeoff. So this application is good for presentation. I hope you already installed Navis Manage in your computer. In my PC, Navis Manage 2017 is there. So let me open. So there is no 3D model. For this we need some 3D files from Revit or CAD. I have some 3D files which I exported from Revit. So let me show you. In this folder I put some 3D CAD drawings, and you can check there are no Navis file in this folder. So when I will append these 3D CAD drawings into Navis, then automatically NWC file will be created. So let's do it. Now check this folder again where I put 3D CAD drawings. You can check there are 3D NWC files created automatically, or you can directly export NWC file from Revit by using add-ins. More detail regarding Navis file will be discussed in the upcoming video. For NWF file, go to the Navis and save as the file as NWF file and select which version file you need. You can check in NWF model all appended files are open, means you can delete or change any of them if needed. For NWD file, go to the Navis and save as the file as NWD file and select which version file you need. You can check in NWD model all appended files are merged. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, like and share for inspiring me to make more upcoming video. Thanks for watching.